Welcome to Headlights After Dark, where we shine a spotlight on what's making the true crime headlines. This week, we're taking a look at the trial of Zurenah Smit, a woman who allegedly arranged the murder of her husband on his Stellenbosch farm in June 2019, together with her co-accused, former policeman turned security expert, Bradley van Eysland. When three shots rang into farmer Stefan Smit as he sat at his dining room table while his wife stood in the kitchen making tea for their guest, Amelia Alleman, the whole incident was chalked up to a farm murder. After all, Stefan had been so concerned about security that he had hired Bradley's company to work security on the farm. The farm had been the scene of recent threatening attacks, including the burning of a tire at the front gate, and now an attack by gunmen had led to the death of Stefan. But the state and their witness Bradley, who admits to taking part in the attack on Stefan, allege all was not as it was made to seem. Zurenah is alleged to be the mastermind in a plot to kill her husband to access his estate. Stefan was in the process of selling parts of his property, and this involved reducing the 40 security guards hired by Bradley's company, significantly cutting down his income. When Bradley was approached by Zurenah, who it is alleged he was having an affair with, to kill her husband, he is said to have agreed to do so for the sum of 2 million rand that would be paid once the estate was wound up. The estate being wound up would be where everything fell apart, as Zurenah produced a version of Stefan's will that left all his property to her and nothing to his children from a previous marriage. The children, who didn't accept this, challenged the validity of the will, with the court ruling that Zurenah could not inherit. The matter now heads to the Western Cape High Court, where the court will have to determine whether Bradley, the ex-policeman turned witness, is credible enough for immunity from prosecution for his role in the crime, and whether Zurenah is guilty of the murder of Stefan Smit. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.